Hello, welcome back to That Math Channel, where we share tips and tricks to help you with all your math problems. If you're new here and you haven't subscribed, do so below and hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of the videos. Today we're going to cover multiplication by fours. It's a neat little trick that'll help you if you ever get stuck and don't have a multiplication table on hand. So let's get into it. You start by drawing, and test your rectangle drawing skills here. But I find it easiest to draw one big one and divide it into thirds. Next row is going to be just in from that top row, and it's just 2 blocks. And then we're going to repeat that pattern 1.5 more times. See how I did that? Using math already, right? And then we're going to go up here, or down here, sorry. One more, we're going to end on a long block in thirds. Okay, that's our setup. Do a brick-like setup here, and we're going to start right here, and we're going to go count by twos starting with 0. So 0, and then we're going to come down a block, 2, 4, 6, 8, and then we're going to repeat that same pattern, 0, 2, 4, 6, 8. And one more time, since this is the 3, we're going to just match it up to that one because we don't have anywhere for our 2 and 6. This table gets us times tables for 4 times 0 to 4 times 12. You'll see how it comes together right now. So we're going to start here. We're going to go 0 as the 10 digits all the way across. Next we're going to come here. We're going to go 1 in the tens digit and just keep counting up. 2, 2, 2, and then 3s, and finally 4s. Ta-da! And then as you can see, you've got all the answers for the 4 times tables, and as just so you can see, it's 4 times 0. We've got 4 times 1, 4 times 2,
4 times 3, 4 times 4, 4 times 5, 4 times 6, 4 times 7, 4 times 8, 4 times 9, 4 times 10, 4 times 11,
and 4 times 12. This one's a little more complicated than the 3 times tables, which I made a video for. Should be right up here in the card. And like I said, a little more involved, but practice it a few times. You'll never forget it. It's easy as pie. Thanks for watching. We'll catch you on the next one.